Brings me to the next one by Ample Sound. Exact same features, different tone. Oops. And I think I should move this over here so that you can see this and the keyboard, my keyboard. All right, I'll go ahead and play this since the features are the same as the jazz bass. As sloppy as that was, you can hear the quality in that. You can see how fun it is to play, how easy it is. It's very intuitive. And I haven't gotten that much practice with this plugin either. It's just that simple to use. Now, the great thing about this one is its small footprint on your CPU and your RAM. This is just 300 megabytes compared to Trillion's 1.15 gigabytes. And you get this great quality. So there are several factors you have to take into consideration when looking at these sample libraries. For example, Spectrasonics Trillion bass comes with so many different bass sounds, and I think it's like $275. I may be wrong, but it comes with a ton of acoustic basses, electric basses, and synth basses that all sound great, and so you get a lot for your money. But if you want to get a realistic sound and limit yourself, you're going to have to go with Ample Sound. I wouldn't recommend Scarby Bass, but it comes inside the complete 9 and 10 bundle. So that was my review. I hope that you liked it, and happy shopping.